Welcome to the future of inventory management for ISPs. At Sonar, we've listened to your challenges and designed a game-changing solution tailored to your needs: the Advanced Cable and Fiber Inventory Management System. This innovative feature transforms how you track, manage, and report on your network assets, saving time, reducing errors, and enhancing compliance. Let's start with the basics. Our system allows you to record every detail of your cable or fiber inventory.
So, here we go.
Batch numbers, lengths, and installation locations, right down to the last meter or foot. Imagine the power of knowing exactly where your assets are deployed, being prepared for recalls, and handling audits seamlessly. This isn't just inventory tracking, it's inventory mastery.
Absolutely. But it's not just about visibility, it's about operational efficiency. With Sonar, you can split spools into segments and allocate them to specific projects or locations with ease. Every cut, every segment is tracked and automatically updated in real time. That means no more guesswork, no manual recalculations, and no costly errors. And for financial teams, this feature is a dream come true. You will have precise cost tracking for asset capitalization, detailed reports for funding agencies, and compliance with even the most rigorous standards. Every meter of cable or fiber is accounted for, ensuring transparency and financial accuracy. The benefits extend to your field teams too. Technicians can now record fiber cuts and update inventory directly from the field using the Sonar Field Tech mobile app. This ensures that your records stay accurate and up to date even during installations. Plus, purchasing managers will appreciate the traceability back to the original purchase orders, making warranties and RMAs a breeze to handle.
And the best part, this system grows with you. Whether you're tracking assets for government grants, managing recalls, or streamlining inventory workflows, Sonar adapts to meet your needs. It's a solution built not just for today, but for the expanding demands of tomorrow's broadband networks. So why wait? Transform the way you manage your cable and net fiber assets with Sonar's Advanced Inventory Management System. Experience precision, compliance, and efficiency like never before.